Okay, so I'm very excited about today's episode because it's something that I can eat every day. For those of you who are following low carb or following keto or following just healthy eating, this is something. For those of you who are trying to stay away from cheese, well, I can't say anything about that. They're called Whisps. They just hit the shelf. They're cheese crisps. And I don't know if you've ever tried these. I'm going to try them right now to find out what's the best and which one I like. Right here you got Parmesan cheese. The middle you got cheddar cheese. And then over here you got bacon barbecue. Okay, I don't know if these are any good or not because I've never tried them. This is when you put them on a cookie sheet. You put little patches of cheese and you bake it for like about 7-8 minutes. And you get these flat, crispy cheese goodness. Well, now they're making them in a bag. So we wanted to find out if they're any good. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. And the resealable bags. Wow. All right. So I like that Parmesan. That was really good. Now forgive me, but some people say Parmesan kind of smells funny. If you've never smelled, go up to your Parmesan and smell it. It kind of smells like, I don't know, vomit. I can't explain it any other way because that's what it smells like. So anyway. So yeah, Parmesan's good. Easy opening bags too, by the way. And they all reseal. Here we go. Not as good. The cheddar cheese one isn't that great. So far, the Parmesan one is the best. The cheddar cheese ain't that good. Let's try the barbecue, the bacon barbecue. That's what it is. Okay. Wow. That's got to be the best one. Bacon barbecue. So good. All right, brand is called Whisps. Check them out at your local grocery store. Okay, bacon barbecue and Parmesan are good. Cheddar is not good. I did not like the cheddar. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next episode. I love you. Bye-bye.